Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is all about helping you get the best deals from Hostinger, so you can save some money when hosting your website. It's super easy, and I'll explain it step by step. Plus, don't forget to click the link in the description for all the discounts I'm about to talk about. Now, here's the deal. No matter which Hostinger plan you choose, you'll get an extra 2 months for free on all of them, except the basic one, and you'll also get a discount. Let me break it down for you. 1. Shared web hosting. There are 4 plans. Single, Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup give you those extra 2 months for free, but Single doesn't. Plus, you can save up to 80% on all 4 plans. 2. Cloud hosting. If you're thinking about cloud hosting, you got 3 options: Cloud Startup, Cloud Professional, and Cloud Enterprise. The good news is all 3 come with those extra 2 months for free, and you can save up to 70%. 3. WordPress hosting. If you love WordPress, there are 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. You'll get 2 months for free with any of them, and the discounts go up to 75%. Now, if you're wondering which one to pick, and most of you might go for shared web hosting, I'd say go for the premium plan. It's packed with cool stuff like hosting 100 websites, having a massive 100 gigabytes of storage, unlimited bandwidth, a free domain, SSL certificates, and weekly backups. It's like the ultimate deal, especially if you're running personal websites. That's pretty much it for today's video. Check the description below for all the links to these discounts and even a detailed review of Hostinger. And if you have any questions, don't be shy, drop a comment below. I love chatting with you all. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next one.